Good afternoon to all. Today our chapter is force and motion chapter. That is, before going to this chapter, let me discuss what is force. What is force? Force cannot be seen. We can see or feel the force through its effect. As force cannot be seen, if we push the door, we can feel that the door is moving. A push or pull acting on a body which tends to change its shape, maybe size or maybe state of rest or of motion is called a force. Suppose if you kick the football will move from one position to another position. That means force is applied, then we can feel that ball is moving. Force is usually denoted by the letter F. It must be remembered that a force does not always make an object move. For example, if you can push a large box or if you want to push the wall, it cannot move. That means there is no change in position. If you can push a large box without displacing it from its position. Now, classification of force. Classification for one is contact force, another is non-contact force or force which is acting at a distance. Contact force means for an object to pull or push, there should be a chemical contact between the two objects. For example, when a coil spring is stretched, means pulled, the two ends of the spring must be actual contact with the hands of the person. Kicking a football, pulling cart are also contact force. Such a force is called contact because there is physical touch. Contact force is a force which acts only when the objects are in physical contact with each other. See, means when you are kicking the football, there is physical contact with the leg and football, then it is called contact force. You are pulling a cart, okay, rickshaw puller pulling rickshaw. Now come to some other example of contact force. Like frictional force is a contact force. How? Frictional force is also called force of friction or simply as friction. The force acting between two surfaces in contact which opposes the motion of one body over the other is called the force of friction. Okay? The force of friction acts along the two surfaces in contact. Along the two surfaces in contact. Okay, the force of friction is effective only when there is relative motion between the two surfaces. The force of friction is due to the roughness of the road or on the surface of the body in contact. A smooth surface exerts lesser force of friction than a rough surface, because means rough surface has more frictional force. Rolling friction is less than the sliding friction. Rolling friction is less than sliding friction. That means here frictional force is two terms. One is rolling friction and is sliding friction. Next comes the normal reaction force. When a body is placed on a surface of the table, maybe the body exerts a force on the surface vertically downward, but the body does not move in the direction of the force. This is because the force exerts an equal and opposite force on the body vertically upward. This upward force exerted by the surface on the body is called normal reaction force. On the other hand, normal reaction force is equal to weight of the body. Normal reaction force is equal to weight of the body. Next comes to the tension force. Tension force as applied through string. When a body is suspended from a rigid support with the help of a string, it pulls the string vertically downward due to its weight. In turn, the string pulls the body upward with an equal and opposite force, and that force is called tension force. If the tension force will be less, then the object will fall down. Okay. Thus, the force which balances the weight of the body is called the tensile force. The tensile force is equal to weight of the freely suspended body. Now come to the force exerted during collision. Force exerted during collision. During collision of two particles, equal and opposite forces act on each body, which makes them separate after the collision. For example, when a body 1 collides with another body 2, it exerts force F1 on body 2 and body 2 exerts force F2 on body 1. Okay, these are called force exerted during collision. Next, non-contact force or force acting at a distance, means there is no physical contact. For example, gravitational force, magnetic force, nuclear force, electronic force of attraction. Okay, this part I will discuss next. Thank you for today's class.